In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group Slack channels. Whether you're managing a bustling workspace or trying to maintain a streamlined overview of your channels, organizing them into groups is a game changer for productivity and clarity. So let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First, we need to head over to Slack's website. Open your preferred browser and type in the Slack URL to reach the AI Work Management and Productivity Tools page. If you're already familiar with Slack, this will come as no surprise. It's your hub for staying in sync with your team and managing projects efficiently. Once you're at the Slack website, the next move is to log in. One convenient way to enter your workspace is by clicking on the Sign In with Google button. This method is fast, secure, and spares you the hassle of remembering another set of login credentials. Now, with access to your workspace, you'll be landing on the Slack dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, showcasing all the channels, direct messages, and apps that make Slack such a powerful collaboration tool. Our focus today is on channels, so let's navigate there next. As you cast your eye over the Slack dashboard, find the list of channels. Clicking on this will expand your view into a detailed list of every discussion hub you've joined or been added to in your organization. It's essential to have easy access to these to keep your workflow seamless. Continuing our journey, locate the Manage option. Clicking on Manage ushers you to a more comprehensive view where adjustments can be made to how your channels are displayed. Here lies the first step to tidying up your interface according to how you or your team prefers it. The next step is to click on Edit All Sections. This feature is critical as it allows you to customize how channels are organized under different sections within Slack. Imagine each section as a folder into which you can neatly file your related channels. To bring this organizational plan to life, click on the New Section button. By selecting New Section, you're opening up a fresh title field and can start naming groups based on project type, priority, or department. For instance, you might create sections for ongoing projects, client communications, or team planning, among others. With these sections in place, drag and drop your channels into the appropriate groups. This action not only enhances your organization, but also ensures you can quickly locate the channels you need, reducing the time spent scrolling through endless lists. And there you have it, the art of grouping Slack channels made simple. By following these steps, you can tailor Slack to better suit your workflow and keep communication streamlined. Happy organizing, and may your Slack workspace be ever efficient and clutter-free.